This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock Excel sheet. First, open a new Excel workbook. Label your columns clearly for ticker symbol, number of shares, purchase price, and current price. This organized layout is crucial for effective tracking. Utilize Excel's powerful stocks data type to automatically pull in live market data, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. This foundational setup is key to building a robust and dynamic stock portfolio tracker. Now let's add your stock information. In the ticker column, type in the symbols for your holdings like MSFT or OPL. Select these cells and navigate to the Data tab, then choose Stocks from the Data Types group. Excel will transform these into interactive stock cards, pulling in valuable information such as company name, current price, and daily change. This feature makes your sheet dynamic and keeps your data up to date effortlessly. With your stock data in place, it's time to calculate your portfolio's performance. Add columns for total value, gain/loss, and percentage change. For total value, simply multiply the number of shares by the current price. To find your gain or loss, subtract your total cost basis from the current total value. Then, divide that gain or loss by the cost basis to get the percentage change. These calculations provide clear insights into your investments. To make your stock sheet even more powerful, consider adding advanced features. Apply conditional formatting to highlight positive gains in green and losses in red, offering quick visual cues. Create charts, such as a pie chart for portfolio allocation or a line graph for performance over time, to visualize your data effectively. You might also add sections for dividend tracking or a detailed transaction history to maintain a comprehensive record of your investments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.